Hey my internet cherries, it's Chi here and I'm back with another DIY video. This time it's a back to school collab with a lot of really awesome people, so I'll be leaving the link to everyone's video in my description bar for you guys to check out. Okay, so let's get started. So here's what you're going to need first. You will need a frame. You can buy this at Walmart for about $15 to $20. Paint swatch cards, which you can also get at Walmart or Home Depot for free. Photos of Red Velvet or whatever K-pop band you like. Also more photos that you can just kind of find from Pinterest that are kind of like aesthetic looking. Stickers and dry erase markers. I will be leaving a link of where to find all of this down in the description. Okay, so let's get started. First, you have to open up the frame. And I'm actually going to be taking the paper that was used on the inside and I'm just going to be turning around to use the white side. So first I'm going to go outside and spray paint the frame gold. I wanted it to match my room aesthetic, so I couldn't just leave it black because I thought it would look a little too weird. But you can leave it black or spray paint it whatever color you'd like. Once I spray painted it, I left it outside for it to dry and not smell, and went back inside to work on the rest. So next I grabbed all the paint swatches and laid them out. I did 5 rows of 7 cards and I did try to make them look like an ombre from light to dark, but it's really not that noticeable or necessary. I just did it to be cute. After I arranged them the way I liked, I glued them all down. Then I cut out the printouts. You're going to need at least 32 photos in all. It's a lot of printing, so try to get as many on one page. Let's try to save some trees, y'all. But anyway, I did about 20 photos of Red Velvet members and I used all the teaser photos from their newest release, and then 20 pink themed photos I found from Pinterest. Then after I cut them out, I laid them down wherever I liked. At first I was going to try and match the pinks on the photos to the pinks of the color swatch, but then I kind of thought it looked cute if you mismatched instead, so that's what I did. Lastly, I wrote the days of the week at the very top. By then, my frame had finished drying, so I grabbed that and put the full photo back inside. And for finishing touches, of course, I wrote the month on the top with my dry erase markers. Unfortunately, I got really cheap dry erase markers, so they did not show up too well, but I tried my best to get it to show. After I wrote the month, the day of the month, I also wrote the days, and of course write whatever you need to write to plan your month out. Then I threw on cute stickers to finally finish the look. Then we're done. I hope you guys liked this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and of course again check out all of the people who collab with me on this video this time, and I'll see you guys next time. 똑같은 자리 같은 잠에 들겠지. 이제